VOLTRON, Defenders of the Universe, Yellow Lion, and HUNK figures.
From days of long ago, from uncharted regions of the universe, comes a legend. The legend of VOLTRON, Defender of the Universe. VOLTRON! Four blazing swords!
Hello everyone. He's massive. I was expecting something to be smaller, like the red one, but nope. He's absolutely massive. His weapon is really cool. He's got a spring release head. Like, I'll hit this button on the bottom and he completely drops the sword. He's got the same kind of spring-loaded legs, I'm guessing, as the red. They're kind of funny and awkward, but they still work. I love the yellow. It's super bright. It's way more yellow than the one they put on the tiny figure. Here's a box. Here's the piece that came with him for the sword. It's somewhere in the middle of the hilt is where it's supposed to belong. You can see it trying to signify right there. And I put the key in the top, and then you can open it up. And there's Hunk, a handsome devil. His cockpit's cool. It's got good detail. I mean, it's just stickers, but you know, it's good looking stickers. Hello, everyone. This is my cat. And he's super orange. I don't know about anybody else, but mine has some loose feet. And that bugs the crap out of me. But they can go really far out and they're fine then. Like he can do a split. He's got another head. He comes with a blaster attached to his hip. I don't know if it comes off or not. No, I don't think so. Oh, my noggin. And there we go. He's really cool looking. I was really excited to get this one especially out of all of them, just because he's such a unique looking character. And he's got an awesome yellow tiger. It looks like he's bowing, but his legs are just giving out on me and then he's just falling forward. That's the only bummer about mine. But who knows? Maybe I can just smash them together or something. I don't know. But it looks cool. He fits in the cockpit. His legs tuck under the plastic piece and it goes down. And it can fold into the leg. I'll see if I can do that. I haven't tried with him yet. It's pretty easy. what I'm supposed to do to these bad boys. Oh, there we go. I don't know where tail folds down in here. Oh, that makes sense. And there you've got the leg. Think of how massive he's gonna be with this going on. He's got like the arm, and he's gonna be massive. He's gonna be way too big. I can't wait. And then his head goes. His angles are a little ganked. But other than that, for the most part, well, I guess he just wants to lay down now. He's tired. It's been a long review. Meow.
Subscribe!